Today, we will talk about crypto day trading, strategies for short-term cryptocurrency trading. Day trading cryptocurrencies can be an exhilarating activity for traders. However, it's also one of the more difficult timeframes to trade. Cryptocurrencies tend to exhibit higher intraday volatility than in many other financial markets, thereby requiring a greater level of skill to trade short timeframes successfully. 1. High-frequency trading, (APT). High-frequency trading, (APT), is driven by automated mathematical algorithms that execute orders in fractions of a second based on preset criteria. These algorithms manage a high volume of orders, aiming to capitalize on minute price movements over extremely short timeframes, often mere seconds or fractions of a second. The lightning-fast speed of APT necessitates the use of trading bots. By handling substantial order sizes, APT traders contribute to the liquidity of the cryptocurrency market. The primary objective of a high-frequency trader is to optimize speed and minimize transaction costs, prioritizing efficient execution and cost-effective transactions. 2. Long straddle. The long straddle is a day trading option strategy that looks to profit from market volatility. It involves buying both a put and call contract for the same cryptocurrency, with the same strike price and expiration date. This strategy may also be referred to as a straddle or option straddle. In a long straddle, it's expected that while one side of the trade may result in losses, the profit gained from the winning position will outweigh those losses, leading to an overall net gain. 3. Scalping. Scalpers capitalize on short and rapid price movements, often utilizing automated bots to increase trade frequency in order to profit from tiny price fluctuations through resale. Compared to longer time frames, scalping involves higher frequency, larger trading volumes, and bigger positions, as the targeted price changes are relatively smaller. Consequently, it's essential to consider trading costs, as they can consume a significant portion of the trader's revenue. Scalping can be risky, as reliable patterns become more difficult to identify and exploit within a shorter time frame. Therefore, scalpers need to adhere to a strict exit strategy, ensuring that a single substantial loss does not negate the multiple small gains achieved. Scalping can be approached in two ways. The first approach involves executing many trades at high volume to capitalize on concise and fast price movements. The second approach adopts a slower trading process relative to high-frequency scalping and focuses on slightly larger, but still relatively small price movements, a lower number of trades, smaller position sizing, and slightly longer holding periods. 4. Range trading. Cryptocurrency markets are constantly oscillating between trending and consolidation environments. Range trading involves leveraging consolidation periods to profit from a predefined price range. The range is defined by key levels of support and resistance, often represented by classic consolidation patterns such as rectangles or symmetrical triangles. In range trading, traders seek to enter a short position or close a long one at resistance near the top of the range where resistance is encountered. Conversely, they may also aim to initiate a long position or close a short one near the bottom of the range around support. Stop-loss orders are placed beyond the extremes of the range to mitigate risk from adverse price movements. 5. Crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage traders aim to capitalize on short-term price discrepancies between different cryptocurrency exchanges. They look to buy crypto on one exchange and swiftly sell it on another at a higher price. Alternatively, for shorts, they'll sell on one exchange and buy on another to close the position. Speed is crucial in crypto arbitrage trading, so automated tools are frequently used to swiftly seize arbitrage opportunities across exchanges. To fully optimize returns, keeping trading costs low is vital given the large volume of transactions. 6. Technical analysis. Technical analysis primarily uses chart patterns for trading strategies and risk management protocols. It operates on three principles. 1. The market discounts everything. 2. Prices move in trends and countertrends. 3. History repeats itself. The idea is that price action is repetitive, with certain recurring patterns that can then be used as a tool to navigate markets. There are many ways to deploy a strategy based on technical analysis, including the use of technical indicators or studies, which are usually based on price and slash or volume. The key lies in identifying specific price patterns that can give a trader an edge. There are two fundamental approaches to using technical analysis: trend following and counter-trend trading. 7. Market sentiment analysis. Understanding market sentiment is crucial. It drives the rise and fall of markets based on changes in the confidence of market participants. Market sentiment represents the collective attitude of investors and traders toward a specific financial asset or the overall market. By analyzing market sentiment, traders can identify changes in attitudes and confidence that can influence changes in supply and demand, and consequently, prices. Some elements of market sentiment analysis include the Fear and Greed Index, Bitcoin Dominance Ratio, news, social media, and Google Trends. 8. Long-term position trading. While long-term position trading may not be the main focus for all active day traders, it can still play a role in their approach. To execute this strategy, the larger time frame is analyzed by including monthly and quarterly price charts. If a trade setup triggers on a monthly chart, it's expected to be held for a longer period of time than with many other strategies. The longer time horizon is necessary in order to exploit the potential price movement and fully maximize gains. 9. Breakout strategy. Breakout traders look to enter a trade when the price breaks out from a particular level, aiming to capitalize on the rapid acceleration in the direction of that movement. Breakouts can occur in either an upward or downward direction. Breakdowns. The setups may include breakouts of trend reversal or continuation patterns, price breaking out through a moving average, or prices establishing a new high or low trend. 10. Pullback strategy. A pullback strategy incorporates trend and pattern identification in its analysis. The objective is to enter a trend just as it's about to resume its primary direction. This strategy can be used in both uptrends and downtrends. It relies on proficient analysis of key support levels and a technique to determine when the pullback is complete, signaling a potential reversal setup. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.